Introducing AquaGuard water-resistant bamboo flooring. In a busy home, floors take a beating. To pets, to everyday use. AquaGuard bamboo flooring is the perfect sustainable and water-resistant flooring choice for every room in your home and is exclusively available from Decor. AquaGuard has an extremely stable core, which provides minimal expansion and contraction. The water-resistant coating provides up to 30 hours of water-resistant protection. Our superior construction requires no underlayment for installation. Now you can have the eco-friendly beauty and natural ambiance of stranded bamboo, and it comes with a lifetime residential warranty. AquaGuard bamboo flooring is perfect for most any room, including kitchens, bathrooms, and basements. It is easy to maintain and wet moppable. AquaGuard bamboo can be installed in large spaces, flowing seamlessly from room to room, with no transition moldings needed, even in doorways. With a quick and easy to install locking system, AquaGuard is ready to install right out of the box. Sold exclusively at Decor.